an incredible week. You've unlocked Python's memory system and mastered the 4 fundamental data types. Let's celebrate your amazing progress. You discovered that variables are Python's labeled memory boxes. They store one value at a time, can change completely, and are the foundation of all programming. Amazing work! You mastered Python's 4 data languages: integers for whole numbers, floats for decimals, strings for text and quotes, and booleans for true or false. You now speak Python's data language fluently. You conquered the equals confusion. One equal sign means put into variable on left, value on right. Variables only remember their latest value, and old values disappear forever. You gained X-ray vision with memory diagrams. Now you can see exactly what Python is thinking at each step. Use this superpower whenever code gets confusing. Look at all the patterns you now understand. Creating variables, changing their values, and joining strings together. These are the building blocks of amazing programs. Congratulations! You are now a Python variable master. You've built the essential foundation that every programmer needs. Give yourself a huge round of applause. Next week, we'll make our programs interactive. We'll learn how to get input from users and convert between different data types. Get ready for even more Python magic.